Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming the remote is compatible with a 2012 Dodge Journey and determine whether it is blank or previously programmed. Locate the VIN on the driver door jamb and have at least one working key available. Some procedures require an existing programmed key. Check the fob battery and replace it if voltage is low. Gather an OBD-ROMAN2 programmer that supports Chrysler/Mopar protocols, and bring a small flat screwdriver to open battery compartments. Park on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and close all doors before you connect the OBD-ROMAN2 programmer to the port under the dash, and switch the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Using the tool, select Dodge, model year 2012, then choose the Body Control Module or Keyless Entry Programming menu. Follow prompts to add a remote. Tell the tool how many remotes you will program, then press the remote buttons when prompted. Complete each remote within 30 seconds of the prompt so the BCM registers the signal. Once programming finishes, cycle the ignition OFF and test all functions. If your aftermarket OBD-ROMAN2 tool cannot access Chrysler security features, contact a certified locksmith or the dealer. They have factory-level programmers and the security PIN tied to the VIN. Explain whether you need only the remote or a transponder key. Sentry key immobilizer system items and remote head keys often require professional cloning. Expect the technician to program remotes and verify operation of lock, unlock, trunk, remote start, and panic functions. Always test each function before leaving and keep a record of the new remote serial numbers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.